St. Kilian Parish. Here we are at the over at the St. Kilian Parish Church in Cranberry Township in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Yep. Say Schindler HD.
Schindler HD?
Do you want to take a round trip? Or?
Yes.
Okay. This is a 338.
338.
Yeah.
Here it is.
Send it down to 1.
Okay.
Get the cap here real quick.
Okay. Get my cab here too.
Yeah.
It's got nice little handrails.
Yeah. Schindler, basic.
Schindler 33A.
Yeah, 338. Pretty nice.
It's nice over.
Yeah. Alright, now let's send it up to 2.
Okay. Oops.
Oh, wait, I'll get your picture. Hold on.
Okay.
I'll get your picture. Ready?
Get your picture.
Yes, I am.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay.
All right. John, you coming back down?
No, we're gonna take a round trip.
We're taking a round trip.
All right, good to see you, John.
Nice to see you too,
I'm going
Mr.
out the
Craig.
bottom. Hey, he told me one time, he said, I saw a guy online, his name's John McCabe, because his name is John McCrae.
Okay, so you got a bunch of
All right, see you, John.
Okay, have a good night.
Alright, let's listen to the motor.
Alright, motor time.
Over there, your HT fixtures. Alright, well,